if it's on moss on the coconut, you should be able to peel all the moss off the coconut with the seedling with it. The roots aren't going into the coconut for sure.
ʻŌhi'a are found nowhere else in the world. They are very unique and special to this place, and I think if you want to live in Hawaii and appreciate Hawaii and you feel a connection to Hawaii, then you can extend that and use this tree as a way to have that connection.
We should learn how to take care of it. We should learn more about the plant. It's just awesome for the community to come out and hear all of the different things about ʻŌhi'a Lehua.
Thank you. I'll be inside if you guys think of more questions. Thanks, Jane. So this is a classic potting mix for native plants.